I'm again with you with a new story, The Adventures of Toto. Have you ever had a monkey as a pet? Strange, a bit strange, because normally people have a dog or any other animal for that matter, but not a monkey. Surely not a monkey. Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding tub, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. Toto was a pretty monkey. His eyes bright sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies, but his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and waked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, also served as a third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was also capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach for his hands. So, here the author explains about how pretty it looked, how beautifully it was built, the features, bright eyes that sparkled mischief beneath the deep set eyebrows, and of course the teeth were pearly white. How about you? Do you brush daily? Are your teeth pearly white? Some of you have got them absolutely yellow. That is filthy. Don't do that. You must brush your teeth twice a day. Learn something from Toto. At least these things you can learn from Toto. Okay? So, fingers quick, big, and tail, of course, adding to the good looks. This the grandfather believed. The grandfather believed that the tail added to the good looks. That was the belief of the grandfather. Let's proceed further in the story in paragraph number 3. Grandmother always fussed when grandfather brought home some new birds or animals. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. So, the monkey is after all a monkey. You can't have a monkey as a pet. And the very first day, it proved the blazer of the author was in shreds when they came back and saw it. The wall, which was looking so good some hours ago, which was perfectly decorated with ornamental paper, was now only a wall of bricks and plaster. So that's what a monkey does. You shouldn't be surprised. So the monkey taught a lesson that monkey is not to be kept as a pet. Let's proceed further. I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. He is clever, said grandfather. Given time, I'm sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. His presence in the house still a secret, Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servant quarters where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel. For a while, my pet got, but the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. So boys and girls, here we see that grandma is not informed, she is still kept uninformed about the presence of the monkey because they were waiting for grandma's mood to improve. And of course, the monkey was kept at a place where there were other pets, a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel. लेकिन समस्या क्या थी? एक मंकी तो आखिर मंकी ही होता है और it became very difficult for the monkey to adjust with other animals. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep because it has got different habits. So we close up this video here, and in the next video, because grandfather has decided to take the monkey with him to Saharanpur, we will see what happens at the railway station. Thanks for joining.